Hello, good day, guys. It's MTech here. I know a lot of you might have trouble with this XAMPP SQL. In case you want to change your port, want to change the port, maybe you have been running into some kind of SQL issues like that. I have the solution for you right now. So first thing you have to go ahead to do is to, it's obviously yours wouldn't be working right now. I've successfully changed mine. So mine is working. You need to go to config. In your config, you first have to look for port. So you could search 330. You go to every port that's majorly here, and then the second one is going to be here. So there are two majorly able to change. Okay, these two places. Once you change there to the new port you want to put, it doesn't have to be 07. It could be 8, 9, any number. You can decide to increase the digits. So once you successfully changed it, you save this, you close it. Then also goes here. This is a config, phpMyAdmin config. You also do the same. The config, what you do this time around, you add your port here. Initially, when you get here, you will only find this. We only find this, and then you just have to add this to it. Then you save it. It might ask you for administrator privileges. Then you accept, and then you allow. That will be that. Once that is done, I think you still have to go to PHP ini and then search, make another search and see if there is something like that that needs to be changed. You change this, change that, and yeah. Now, once you're done with that, you're going to want to do the next thing, which is you need to open a CMD. You just go to Windows and you type CMD, and you open as administrator. That will be the next thing for you to do. So after which it will come up like from this here is what you will find in your CMD. It need to take you down to here. Then I'm going to provide this code in the description below. You drop this. When you drop it, you discover that okay, mine possibly started when I installed MySQL in my local machine. So I wanted to switch from using XAMPP because of the series of issues we normally have with XAMPP. Most times XAMPP will you come up one morning after you finish working, like let's say an hour ago, and you just went to sleep. You just woke up, let's say like 3 hours ago, and you just like let me turn on my MySQL, and then XAMPP will be giving you all manner of errors. So I decided to switch from using a normal XAMPP phpMyAdmin, although I'll be losing the privilege of using phpMyAdmin from XAMPP. So I decided to switch to local MySQL on Windows. So after installation, using Chocolatey to install it, so I started running into all manner of issues. So I decided to let me just get rid of this. I'm not totally getting rid of XAMPP SQL. I'll be using both XAMPP SQL and MySQL locally from my terminal within the project. So I decided to do this, and as let me give everybody this solution. So what I did is to do this in order to see because I was having conflicting issues, conflicting problems from MySQL. It was saying that it's currently seeing this while it's expecting to see this particular one here. So I had to fix this issue. So that's by the way. Let's continue. So I did this, but the next thing, if you want to change port, you would have to go through this process. Here is just to check to see the amount of services you're running. If there's a conflicting issue, you just want to see to be sure if XAMPP SQL is there. So you would want to check the particular service that this is running. So when you check this one is when you check this will when you run this, you take this, you run this, and you be like, you will know where this is coming from. This is my local machine, So then I want to both have SQL. That's my SQL for both the one I installed from Chocolatey and also the one from XAMPP. So I had to create a new variable actually. So I decided to add another one that's from here. I decided to add this since it's only one service that is available. I need to add another service. so that I can shift the XAMPP service so that it wouldn't be focusing on using normal SQL, that's MySQL. Instead, it will be using this particular new variable here. So I added this, that's drop this, and then you just have to create a new one using this. That's create a new one using this as the new value. Okay, after this was successfully created, then the next thing was I had to run this. Okay, well, oh, did I do that 2 times? Okay, I just have to run this again just to see if the service was created. So the service was created successfully. Okay, then I check this. I think I kind of, okay, I think I must have missed something here. So here, and this is to see, okay, yeah, this to see the services that are running right now. Okay, currently I now have my SQL XAMPP. So since this is running, the next thing to do is you could go back to here, and that's this guy. Instead of doing what I did by opening it in VS Code here, then I just went to can change it. You can still go back to XAMPP and do this, and just do this and do this here. Okay, I thought that was open this config ini. Okay, that's XAMPP config. Sorry, this is not it. Okay, so you go to your XAMPP folder, and then locate XAMPP control.init, which is configuration settings. Then you open it up on your preferred text editor. When you open this up, you just go and then you change it. Previously, when you get here, you will see it as MySQL. So you change it to the new variable you created, and once you've done this, you're basically done. You also make sure you change the port here. So you change the port here so that you wouldn't have any issues while running the PHP So once these two are done, config, okay, that was that. We've done that already. So then you save it. While saving this one, it will ask you for administrator privilege. So you just have to accept, and then this will be saved. Then you go back, and then once you go back here, you just say even offing it now. Though this is a downside, but as at least everything is working smoothly now. So if I open up this, I start this, I open up XAMPP control panel, I start this, it works. Then I also, to start my SQL, it will ask me for administrator privileges before I can start that. Then it works on the new port right now. Everything is fixed. Okay, although I kind of forgot, there is one more thing we did not set. Sorry about that. If you go here, you would need to go here and here to set your new port. So when setting a new port, okay, it has changed. I think basically if we do, because I went through a whole lot of, I'll say, horror trying to make this happen. I first came here to change this, and it was telling me it doesn't have access to change the properties. But changing this one doesn't really matter, since the major thing was to create this new variable here. So that actually solves it. So thank you. If you had issues with thank you for watching. If you have issues with running MySQL and XAMPP MySQL at the same time, I hope this solves your problem. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.